Hi, Dr. Deepa Shetty here again, and today I'm going to speak on a topic called love versus attachment. We all are in a relationship, and we would like to know something on. Every one of us are trying to understand what is love all about, and what I'm feeling, and what I want in a relationship is something called love. Love is something which is ruling or which is making all of us go on, and love is something which is the highest power which a human being can have within him and give it to others too. So, taking that from here, I would like to no, I would like to y'all give y'all some tips on how do we recognize in a relationship is that a love or an attachment. So, when it comes to understanding a relationship, let's understand when we form a relationship that are we operating from a part where it is a need to be loved, or are we operating from a part that I am a love, I love myself, and I would want to include others in it and give the love which I am experiencing to the others. So that's how there is a major difference between love and attachment, because love functions from including others in us. Love comes from a sense of love for ourselves, a sense of self-love, which is you love yourself so much that now you want to give this love to others also. So you start including others in your own self. Love is all about surrendering. Whereas attachment comes from a need to be loved. There is something which is lacking in me and I want to take it from others. There is something which is empty in me and I want to fulfill it by taking it from others. So there is a lot of selfishness because I want something from others, whereas love is totally selfless. It's like, when a mother loves a child, it doesn't come from a need to be loved. It comes from a need to love that small creature which has come in this world. And it comes from a need to fulfill me through that other person. Also, not in the form of need, but in the form of completing each other. So, love is an emotion which needs to be understood from a part in us which is very secured and safe, and we are extending it to the others. So, in that, we need to understand that in love there is a secured attachment. We are empathetic to each other, we are supporting to each other, and we are guiding each other. So, there is no only one person. I am not seeking only, I am giving to. So, in that, we see that we are actually, it's a give and take relationship. It is not that even if you don't give, you will not be loving somebody, or even if you don't get anything in return, you will not be loving somebody. But it automatically happens that the relationship goes in a give and take form, and relationship goes in a very secured and safe environment. Whereas in attachment, it's an insecure relationship. There is a fear of loneliness, there is a fear of not being able to fulfill our need ourselves, and that's why we get attached to others. And in that, you see, there are three types of it in attachment, which is insecure. One is a clinging attachment, an anxious attachment, where I am getting attached to other person because of my emotional hunger. I am not feeling loved, I am not feeling appreciated, I am not feeling valued, so I am seeking it from others. All the validation, approval is sought from others. I cling to that person, and it comes from a very strong sense of emotional hunger. So the fulfillment part of me is through others. Second one is an avoidant attachment, where I withdraw from my partner, I avoid my partner, and I form an alternative life apart from my partner. Here the person is trying to withdraw from a relationship because he can't get attached, and the alternative life is to run away from this life, and hence that person will never complete the relationship. He'll form a relationship and disappear. Third form is a fearful attachment, which comes from a fear, of being lonely, which comes from a fear, if I don't remain attached, then there is nothing in my life, it's completely dependent on others. My life is completely dependent on others, and I try to avoid my partner forming an excuse here, now and then. They don't give in relationship at all. They seek from the relationship, but they don't give in relationship. They are so fearful of being hurt that they do take from the relationship, but they are not able to give it because they prefer not to be involved in the relationship. They have a fear of getting involved, and they form an excuse to go away from the partner. So these kind of attachment are in the insecure one. Whereas love in itself makes other complete, When we speak about love, it's all about letting go, getting aware, accepting who we are, and what we can form in each other's life, what we can authentically be in front of others. Love gets best out of you. Love doesn't make you ever ever lonely, because you're complete in your own self. Love gives you freedom. Love makes you completely fulfilled within you, and together you form a different bond, all together in a very different way. Love is selfless, and when it comes to love, you look after other first than you, because you are complete within yourself. It doesn't mean I am neglecting myself and looking for the other partner and fulfilling other partner's need. It's not like that. It's that I am complete, so I look and take you as first. When I love, I see that your needs, your requirement, you as a person remain as first to me, and I take care of your need first than mine, because I am complete within myself. Whereas in attachment, you seek a lot of attention because you are incomplete. You don't feel the depth of the desire, and also the whole thing is from the need that I will be lonely. So need that I'm not getting attention from anywhere else, I'm seeking an attention from here. So it's all an attention seeking behavior in this kind of attachment will be seen. It depletes you, and you will see that the best of you doesn't come in this attachment. You will see a lot of anger and remorse, a lot of you which you are not liking about yourself, a lot of the part of you which is something which you would not want to be. You will see this coming in this relationship. So friends, when in a relationship you find the energy depleting, when you see that the relationship is coming from another person in the form of a need than giving and taking in each other, that's the relationship which is not from the love, it's from the attachment. When it is from the love, you bloom, you grow together, you accept each other, and you see yourself a completely different person. You see yourself a person you want to be. There is nothing which can take away the trust and understanding between each other, because it is found on the basis of love. Now, this is not only important in the relationship between two people who are married or who are a partner or in love relationship. It is important in any kind of relationship. So if it's a teacher or disciple, it's a mother and daughter, if it's a friends, everywhere, if it is love, you will seek to give, include others, and bloom together and grow together, evolve together into a completely different zone which fulfills you with a lot of passion and desirable individual. So, saying that, I would say give love, be loving, and if you see any relationship which is depleting you, see to it that you secure into a place which can fulfill them and fulfill you too. Saying that, remember, self-love is the first step towards loving others. Thank you. Stay tuned. See you again.